K5 Blazer.
A Blazer.
Yep, K5 Blazer, and it's 05 GMC truck drivetrain.
Cool.
Thank you. Thank you too.
He's like, what the heck? he's like.
look at the McDonald's guy in shock because we're in tow. Look, he's super confused. I hope he ducked his head back and he's seen the camera. Everyone's super confused as to what is going on. We got the Bruce in tow. We're obviously going to a car show, guys. I can't wait. Hope to see you guys there. York, Pennsylvania, junk food meet. Alrighty guys, well there you have it. We did take the Bruce to a car show today, and I got a bunch more footage, but some of it was kind of like wishy-washy, and I didn't really want to post it and put it up there. I just felt like what I put in there was just kind of sort of enough. I know we got some new background music. I'm been trying to work on my editing, guys. I'm serious. I'm trying to work on my editing. I'm trying to get better. As you can tell, I kind of have the slow-mo thing down to a pat now, and kind of time-lapse videos and things like that. So I'm working on it, guys. You would be proud of me. A year and a half in, I'm finally starting to learn how to actually edit and do some cool things and everything. You know, I'm starting to enjoy it. I used to absolutely despise editing, but you know, I gotta admit, it's kind of fun to be able to take some things, twist it around, and create sort of your own little what's the word I'm looking for, but your own little twist on things. But I guess the reason I am making the video is because I don't think we're going to sell the Bruce, guys. The Bruce is going nowhere. I do have a set of gears that we're going to put on it. Next weekend on the 28th is actually the mud bog down at the Buck, down in the Buck, Pennsylvania. So I hope to see you guys there. I will try to make a post about it and things. We're going to get the Bruce there. I'm going to get it down to Danny's later this week. We're going to button up a few things. I definitely got to get a power steering line on it. I got to get the fuel cell secured. I got to get a upper radiator hose on it. I think that's about it. I'm going to probably more secure the dash and the gauge cluster and everything like that, because I want to make sure that I can get past tech. So another thing we're going to do is a battery box. I should be writing all this stuff down, but hopefully if I need to, I'll review it in the video. But we're going to be at the Buck next weekend, next Saturday. I believe it's September 28th, so I hope to see you guys there. Definitely come out, check out the Bruce, because he's going nowhere. Now the OBS truck, I will sell that. That's sort of a truck that I don't really have any special connection to. I don't want to say I had to buy it, but I sort of had to buy it, and we just sort of ran with it. So now that it's fixed, I think it's safe for somebody to take. I do have it listed for $3,000 or best offer, guys. I know you guys see my prices up there and you're like, you're crazy, you'd never get that. It is or best offer, except for the Bruce. I know you guys see my prices and things like that, and you see, you know, $3,000, and you think I'm out of my mind, and you know, I don't even know what you guys think. But you know, it is a full-size Chevy truck. It actually runs and drives great. It has a Jasper Reman engine in it. It's got 37s on it. It comes with 5 tires, guys. It comes with literally a full-size spare as well. So that truck is or best offer, $3,000 or best offer. I will sell it. I had a bunch of people, you know, acquire within it and things like that. I do want to sell the OBS. I don't want to keep it around. I don't really have any attachment to it, and it's sort of, I don't want to say a lot of work to take it 2 places, but I got the Civic to worry about. I don't really want to focus on 2 trucks at one event. So and the Bruce is not going anywhere, guys. At this point, the Bruce is here to stay. I absolutely had a great time. The kids enjoy it, and that's what actually probably means the most to me in this whole thing that I went to and seen today. The kids absolutely love the Bruce. I got to keep it around. We just got to button some things up. So you will stay tuned. We got videos on that. I do have another video of the OBS. We're going to go button some things up on that, and I think you'll see the real value in that truck by Friday. And the Bruce, we will have, like I said, we will get it all buttoned up. I don't think I'll have the gears and the lockers in it yet, but the Bruce will be ready to compete in the Buck Mud Bog September 28th. So again, guys, I hope you guys like this kind of video. I kind of pieced it together. I had a lot of fun. Got to spend time with the family, and I realized that my girls actually really do like the Bruce. So he's going nowhere. He's here to stay. He is definitely going to be on the roster. He's like the Trans Am now at this point. I don't think he's ever going to go anywhere. But I also have a huge announcement, guys. I'm just going to say I'm signing papers. I don't know when. A day coming up this week, I think. And the first of the month, we have big things coming. So you guys are not going to want to miss that. You're going to want to stay tuned. And I can't wait to share the next chapter, the next journey with you guys. So again, if you like the content, you knew this was coming, smash that like button. Please subscribe. And I will see you in the next upload. We do have a bunch more content coming, and we're going to get back on the grind of working on things, fixing things, upgrading things, breaking things, fixing it, upgrading, breaking. That's just what we do here on the channel. So take care, guys, and I will see you in the next upload. Thanks for you guys' support. You guys have been awesome lately. I really do truly appreciate it.